Brewing milk tea is more than just mixing tea and milk. It's an art that requires attention to detail, especially when it comes to water quality. Let's explore how to choose the best water for making delicious milk tea and bubble tea, using both ancient wisdom and modern science. Ancient wisdom meets modern science. In ancient China, the classic tea book, The Classic of Tea, suggested that mountain spring water is the best, river water is second, and well water is the least desirable. This gives us an early insight into the importance of water quality in tea brewing. Today, we use scientific measures like TDS, total dissolved solids, to assess water quality. TDS indicates the amount of dissolved solids in water, measured in milligrams per liter, mg/L, or parts per million, ppm. This reflects the minerals and organic matter present in the water. Understanding TDS and water hardness. According to the World Health Organization, water with a TDS below 60 ppm is considered soft, while water above 120 ppm is hard. Soft water, typically below 50 ppm, has low mineral content and a gentle taste, making it ideal for tea. For brewing tea, a TDS value between 10 to 130 mg/L is recommended. Common minerals in water include sodium, Na+, calcium, Ca2+, magnesium, Mg2+, and iron, Fe. These can affect the taste and color of tea. Hard water, with higher calcium and magnesium, can make tea taste bitter and darken its color due to oxidation of polyphenol. The role of pH in tea brewing. The pH level measures the acidity or alkalinity of water, with a pH less than 7 being acidic, 7 neutral, and greater than 7 alkaline. Slightly acidic water is preferred for tea brewing as it enhances the flavor. Tips for brewing milk tea and bubble tea as well as other tea. For the best milk tea base, avoid hard water. Soft water with the right amount of minerals is ideal. If you want your tea to have a pleasant aroma and flavor, use soft water along with quality tea leaves and dairy products. To achieve a rich and smooth taste, steer clear of water with high mineral content. In everyday life, home reverse osmosis water systems are great for brewing tea and making milk tea. Avoid using hard water, high mineral bottled water, alkaline water, and flavored water. When tasting water, take a small sip first, then a larger one, letting it linger in your mouth for a few seconds. Swallow slowly in 3 to 4 small sips to fully appreciate the water's quality and its suitability for tea. Conclusion. Choosing the right water is crucial for brewing perfect milk tea. By understanding TDS, mineral content, and pH levels, you can select the best water for your tea. Enjoy experimenting with different water types to find what brings out the best in your milk tea and bubble tea creations. For even more exciting tea content, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. Stay updated on the latest tips, recipes, and brewing techniques to enhance your tea experience. If you love bubble tea, tea leaves, and tea sets as well as tea accessories, visit our website at www.admiringazealand.com. Here, you'll find a wealth of resources, including product recommendations and insights into the wonderful world of tea.